Okay, I'm here now at the Chart booth. I've got Pete Gallagher. He is the manager of the independent distributor, sales manager, and Heather Ewert, who is the West Regional sales manager for Chart. First question is, there's so much competition in what you guys do. You guys play in a really competitive space. Why Chart versus somebody else?
Okay, well, it's pretty simple. Number one, we are the only American manufacturer left, and that's for all our components, everything from the liquid cylinders, micro bulk tanks, engineering services, piping, vaporizers. It's all made here in the United States. So Chart does bring a lot to the table. All our warranty, all our service work, all our engineering everything is here in the United States. It does give us a bit of an advantage, but there is a cost difference with imported products.
Right.
So to second what Pete said, it's much more than just a product that we offer. We have a whole gambit. We can help businesses grow.
Okay. And aside from the products, talk about the field service and what you guys offer with field service.
There's so many areas we offer field service. We send people right out on site, be it a tank where you need to check on that, or a truck. We send crews right out to fix on site, so you don't have to uplift tanks and send them back to us.
Yeah. On top of the field service, it's everything from site surveys to installation. I mean, we have certified hospital installers, which is a rarity today. But we can do anything. We could put pipe together in the field, and installation, shipping. It's just tremendous. One of the things that, why Chart is we've got the greatest engineering staff in the cryogenic world, based in New Prague, Minnesota. And some of the things we're working on, this is the thing we tell distributors all the time is, if you see a massive tank or a massive thing, don't let it go, call us. We can manufacture tanks in New Prague up to 250,000 gallons, and our new Theodore location can manufacture up to 450,000 gallon cryogenic tanks. And then with the acquisition of Howden, it brings in big air moving capabilities, from fans and blowers all the way to massive compressors for helium and hydrogen. The way to help distributors grow through our market is a lot more than just buying and selling product, a commodity item. We don't do that.
Awesome. And aside from just the normal stuff, we'll call it the normal stuff that they would think of Chart for, what else can Chart help a distributor with?
Welders. Chart hires, I don't even know the number, but a tremendous amount of welders. Heather was a welder at Chart Industries.
Really? I was a welder, yes. I was a welder for many years.
But
so we have a lot
I did not know that.
Career opportunities.
I believe we have 22 or 24 locations in the United States. Most of them do have welders. We have a full training program. We're always hiring. I mean, Chart, big public corporation, so great benefits, excellent pay. Full training, everything.
Paid training.
Yeah, and the other battle is our customers sell to welders. We have a lot of welders on our staff, so not only are you supporting American manufacturing, you're supporting your customers, American welders.
There you go. Hey, quick update here from Chart. Thank you guys for everything that you do for us here at GAWDA Media. It's always great to see you and the whole Chart crew here at the GAWDA shows. So best of luck.
Thank you.